PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair provides high-quality residential and commercial HVAC replacement services in Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania. Our technicians are completely qualified and certified in any aspects of heating, cooling, and air quality systems. We repair, replace and upgrade HVAC systems. Our goal is to provide outstanding customer service, a wide range of high-quality products and exceptional workmanship. Contact our commercial HVAC replacement experts today and get a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC replacement expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Should a 25-year-old HVAC be replaced? An HVAC system has an average lifespan of 15 to 20 years, however, as these systems age, they become less efficient. If your HVAC system is more than 10 years old, consider replacing it with a more energy-efficient one. What exactly is commercial HVAC preventative maintenance? Replace cooling equipment filters. Examine the condition of the belts and pulleys and replace them as necessary. Clean the coils on the condenser and evaporator. If the refrigerant charge is low, look for leaks. What is your service area for the Bryn Mawr office? Our commercial HVAC replacement have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Bryn Mawr, Rosemont, Ardmore, Penn Valley, Gladwin, West Conshohocken, Narberth, Haverford, Wynwood, Roseglen, Ardmore, Villanova, King of Prussia, Lower Merion Township, and Montgomery County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC replacement office located? We are located at 850 West Lancaster Avenue, Bryn Mawr, Pennsylvania 19010. Our phone number is 610-424-6452. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Lancaster-Ev-Bryn-Mawr-HVAC-service.